Hey guys, what's going on? So today I went ahead and I picked up two items. I picked up a RYOBI 2-cycle weed eater straight shaft, and I picked up the edger attachment. I will be doing a full unboxing review and everything after this review. So I decided, you know what, I might as well spend $110 to get a new weed eater. The two that I have kind of junked out on me. So let's go ahead and open this up. Find something to open it up with. Oh, we'll just use a screwdriver. I paid $110 plus tax out the door. Home Depot. Figured that wasn't too bad. Pretty cheap. Now this is the 18-inch gas straight shaft string trimmer. Full crank engine for longer life. Attached compatible, reloads in under 60 seconds with a speed winder. And just from the picture here, there's 8 attachments plus the straight shaft, so you got 9 attachments. I'm sure they're gonna have more out, and I'm sure, like everything else, eventually these will be obsolete. So just checking to make sure the video quality was up to par. So the first thing, as soon as I open the top, is the straight shaft. Here we have the straight shaft and the speed winder. Okay, pretty nice. I went ahead and picked up some more string. These will take anything from 0.085 to 0.095, I do believe. I can't remember where the, let's see. Hold on, let me grab the string I picked up with it is the 0.095 heavy duty twist Rhino Tough HD yellow. Just something basic for the house, and it's got a little cap. Just push the ball in and pull up, and that will open up the shaft so you can attach it. So there's that. And let's get on. Paper. And all right, here's the goodies, what everyone likes. So in here, it looks like we got some oil, which I'm gonna use some pre-mix in this. Got a handle, we got the side guard, the spinner, some extra string, just the basics. All right, and for what everyone's wanting to see. Okay, so you can't get it out the top, obviously. So let's just go ahead and go from the side. There we go. Now they did have a 4-cycle and a 2-cycle version. The 4-cycle was extremely expensive in my opinion compared to this. It was $60 more. And for a basic house one, I really don't care. Because for at the house, I'm just gonna be using it basically with pre-mix, and I don't have to worry about anything. I've got a warranty on it. I got the extended warranty for $18. So let's go ahead and assemble this real quick just to see how it looks. So the straight shaft. Set it down. Let's see. Okay. It's locked in. Tighten it down. And one thing I do notice, I don't like these wing nuts. The wing bolts to tighten it. They feel really cheap. So I imagine these are gonna break. But other than that, so far, weight seems good. So let's go ahead and assemble everything real quick. And I'll catch back up with y'all in a second. Okay, so it's assembled. And something very important to remember, guys, is there's a piece of tape right here. And it will usually knock off from the rotation. But if you want your stringer to pre-cut for you, like it should, it's best practice just to remove it. Because you never know, this is some pretty sticky stuff. And maybe for the first couple times it won't cut. So go ahead and just remove that. That way when the string comes by, it'll slice it right off. All right. Well, let's go ahead and fill it up. We'll test her out. That literally took like 20 seconds. Okay, so here I have some True Fuel. It's a 50-to-1 mix. It's what it calls for. So let's just go ahead and fill her up. Now prime it. Flip it back over and prime it 10 times. Did 11. Full choke. It's on. Okay. Shut off. Next. Very nice, very nice. No leaks. Looks like it's good. See how it cranks up? And flawless. That's what you would expect from a new weed eater. To work perfect out the box, but you never know. So guys, this is the RYOBI 2-cycle full crank expanding kit set. So definitely check out the expanding attachment video I'll have coming for the edger. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date. I'm gonna have a lot more home videos.